Hello and welcome back to the Admin for You training channel. If you're looking to streamline your enrollment process and gain valuable insights into your child care center, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll be going to dive into the features and benefits of the Child Care Center Enrollment Tracker, an Excel-based tool designed to streamline how you manage your child care center's enrollment. Many of the features in this workbook are optimized for use with the Microsoft 365 version of Excel. If you don't have Microsoft 365, don't worry. We also have an alternate version of this workbook tailored for your needs. In case you're unsure about your Excel version, we've also included a useful video link in the description below to help you identify it. The Master Enrollment List is your hub for tracking all of your students in just one centralized location. Say goodbye to shuffling through papers and multiple spreadsheets because now all of your students' information can effortlessly be managed in just one place. Plus, there's a dedicated section that showcases the total enrollment by classroom. This feature allows you to monitor capacity and make informed decisions for classroom allocations. Moving on to the Birthday List Report tab. This tab provides you with valuable insights into each child's birth date. Why is this important? It facilitates a smooth transition of children from one classroom to another based on their developmental needs. The real power of the Child Care Enrollment Tracker lies in its classroom enrollment dashboard, where you'll find dynamic reports and visually appealing graphs. These tools offer a comprehensive overview of total enrollment by classrooms, enabling you to identify trends, forecast future needs, and make data driven decisions. The dashboard provides valuable insights into enrollment availability, helping you effectively manage capacity and optimize resource allocation. You also have automated classroom enrollment reports, which are always at your fingertips. Here's how it works. That data you maintain on the master enrollment list, well, it serves as the foundation. The tracker takes all of that information and dynamically creates comprehensive reports for each of your classrooms. But that's not all. The report also provides a status update on the overall current enrollment of each classroom, along with availability by weekday based on your maximum capacity. Let's take just a moment to familiarize ourselves with the master enrollment list. The upper right-hand corner is the classroom name manager. Now, this is where you'll manage all the names for your classrooms. Keep in mind that data that's entered here also updates throughout the entire workbook. The upper left-hand corner is where you'll find the enrollment count by classroom, providing a total count of all children enrolled in each individual classroom. This section also provides an overall count of all students enrolled in all classrooms. There's an easy navigation button. Simply click the button to quickly bring you to the first record on the enrollment list. This will become especially convenient to use as your master enrollment list grows. The data you enter in the student information area will automatically update on all reports throughout your workbook. The Child Care Schedule area allows you to track what days each student is enrolled for childcare. This is what provides the at-a-glance insights on the dashboard page to show you what days you have openings for enrollment. The Child's Age section auto-calculates the student age in both years and in months. This is based on what you've entered for the student's birthday in the Student Information section. Of note is that the age conversion from months to years is rounded to the nearest whole year. Please see the provided examples for clarification. Your classroom name tabs are also customizable. To update, double-click on the tab, type in the new name value, and then when you click out of that tab, the name will be updated. You're now ready to update and personalize your master enrollment list. Begin by personalizing with your school name. Then update the classroom names in the Classroom Name Manager. To change placeholder names, click on an existing value and type in the new text. Classroom names will automatically update throughout the workbook. That would be in any count boxes, drop down list, your dashboard, along with your classroom enrollment lists. Classroom names should always be managed in the Classroom Name Manager. So it's important to note that if you change names of classrooms after you have entered a student record, you must update any records with the new classroom name using the drop down list of values. This will ensure the accuracy of data on dashboard and reports. When entering and maintaining student records, it's important to remember the following. For the student's name, this is how the name will appear throughout the document. Enrollment status, that only active records will appear on dashboards, the birthday list, and the classroom enrollment lists. If you don't want to view inactive records on your master list, you can use the filter buttons in the header to hide inactive records. Simply uncheck the inactive record box. For the child's birthday, you must enter the full birthday, including the month, day, and year of birth. For classroom assignment, it's important to select a valid classroom from the drop-down list of values. And remember, if you change the name of a classroom after entering records in the Classroom Name Manager, it will not auto-update. You will need to update student's record with a correct value. Be sure to put a check mark for each day of the week the student will be attending in the childcare schedule boxes. This keeps an accurate record of attendance days and will allow you to monitor capacity and enrollment openings. When it's necessary to maintain a student record, update the data for each student as needed. Make any changes to the data already entered, and the changes will automatically update and be reflected on the dashboard, the birthday lists, and the classroom enrollment lists. Be sure to change the status from active to inactive as children are unenrolled. And enrollment counts will automatically update based on record entry and updates. Names will automatically be removed from the birthday list report and the classroom enrollment lists when their status is changed to inactive. You can use filters to manage the view of your master enrollment list. For example, in the header bar for Enrollment Status column, click on the filter button and a list of available options to select will appear. To view only active records, deselect Inactive, leaving only active and blanks checked. Select OK and the result will show only active records and blank lines. To remove the filter, just make sure the Select All option is checked. This use of filters can be utilized on any column on this worksheet. Maximum capacity for each classroom is managed on the individual enrollment lists for each classroom. By default, the workbook is delivered with a maximum capacity set at 20 for each day. It is important to update these maximum capacity levels if they differ for your classrooms. All classroom enrollment lists are automatically generated and will be updated for each classroom based on the student information that is entered and maintained on the master enrollment list. If a student's name is not showing, or if enrollment counts are 0 or not as expected, it will be attributed to one of the following 4 reasons. 1, there are no students assigned to that classroom. 2, the status for the student is either unassigned or has been assigned as inactive. 3, an incorrect or invalid value has been assigned as the student's classroom assignment. This generally happens if classroom names are updated in the Classroom Manager and you have not updated the student's record with the new value. Or 4, scheduled days for attendance have not been assigned for the student on the master enrollment list. Remember to put an X for each day that the student is attending. There's only one manual task required for the birthday list report, and that's to refresh the data. To refresh, place the cursor in the yellow cell, right-click your mouse, and select Refresh. This will ensure you have all active records included on the list. You can use filter buttons to narrow the results of the birthday list to just one classroom or a selection of multiple classrooms. To make more than one selection, hold your control button down and make your desired selections. Then, to clear the filters, select the Clear Filter button to remove the filters. Your dashboard features a comprehensive overview of total enrollment by classrooms and current enrollment availability. The graph at the top offers a quick visual of total enrollment by classroom by weekday. The two tables below the graph provide a quick and detailed insight into current enrollment and availability by day. The individual classroom tables below provide an at-a-glance view of all classrooms. These are the same tables featured on the individual classroom enrollment list, but this view allows you to easily see the status of all classrooms in one convenient location. Your reports are formatted for easy printing on standard 8.5 by 11 paper. That completes our training for today. The workbook contains a full set of instructions for everything we've covered in today's video, but please don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.